Blackboard and chalk may be the traditional teaching tools, but the pandemic has caused teachers to be a little more innovative. That means using a webcam and a laptop. And in order for these devices to work, they need connectivity. Virtual learning has been taking place for several weeks now, and Principal of St. Francis and Joseph, Tiffany Glass, said both their teachers and students have had to be innovative and versatile.
It's thinking outside of the box, and it's also helping them to understand that education is more than paper and pencil. Education just looks at a wider realm of skills and activities.
There are 370 students connected to the school's Google Classroom platform. First grade teacher Akila Ambrister said while her students had to get used to the virtual classroom, they have now settled into a routine.
They come in the morning, it's just like we're in our regular classroom because we have our morning devotions, we have our breaks in between classes, and they're attentive. We play games, we sing, we dance, so it's just like being in the regular classroom.
As an educator with 2 kids of her own, working from home was not easy as a small space confined them. Her solution has been for them to use her classroom to work and learn. Cable Bahamas Business Solutions outfitted this and 4 other Catholic schools with fiber optic connectivity, and teachers say that is working well, especially when teaching the younger kids.
The Wi-Fi capabilities and the fact that we had to depend on it, it was very reliable, and it went through, we were able to do it seamlessly.
We miss being in the classroom, but virtual, it's helping us a lot, and with the good connectivity, it's no problem. So I'm pleased to report that it's going well.
As virtual learning may be around for a while, Delmaro Duncombe, head of small and medium business at Cable Bahamas Business Solutions, said their department is also about to roll out a new learning management software.
People might be familiar with the likes of Google Classrooms, which is what they're using at the school. Some other schools I know are using Redica and other service platform providers. But our platform, Smart Term, provides a full solution. Not only is it a classroom solution for teachers and kids, but it's also a management tool to manage school fees, to manage attendance, and to manage anything that you would need to run a school virtually. The learning management software Smart Term can provide.
Duncombe said the new connection in the Catholic schools made the Wi-Fi more robust, adding that many have also been coming in to upgrade their home services. Reporting for our news, I'm Jillian Gray.
Pressed for time? Need to purchase a plan, top up your phone, or another live customer number? What about pay a postpaid bill, or simply just want to check your account balance? We've got you covered. Let us do the work for you. Introducing self-service automated payments by phone with Alive. Have your credit card or debit card handy, dial 611 or any customer care line, and follow the prompted instructions. It's that simple. Still connected, still with you. Alive. Believe in best.